So we make a lot of night guards for our patients, but it has to be the right indication. We don't normally make a night guard for a clencher. We make a night guard for somebody that grinds their teeth or bruxes. And those patients, you can see on their teeth what they're doing, how they're wearing their teeth away. And those patients definitely need a night guard. You'll also see it on the night guard when they come in for their clean appointments, because we'll clean their night guards each clean appointment. And you'll see the marks that they've ground through the night guard, and some patients even break them. So it's pretty severe, and we treat that here, yes.